Serving looks with a purpose. Ang stars and personalities na dumalo sa isang pre-GMA 2025 gala event nagsama-sama sa dinner for a cause. Ang Sparkle artists at executives at partners ng GMA Network at Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Itinurn over ni na GMA Network Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez at Sparkle First Vice President Joy Marcelo kay GMA Kapuso Foundation Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer Ricky Escudero Katibog ang 2 million pesos donation para sa GMA Kapuso Foundation na nadagdagan pa ng 500,000 pesos mula sa isang GMA Gala sponsor.
Ginawa natin itong sponsors night for the benefit of Kapuso Foundation. All the proceeds, at least 2 million na ang nalilikom natin tonight, ay mapupunta sa particularly for the calamity victims.
Thank you to all of the sponsors and donors of Sparkle tonight dahil talagang you lent wonderful meaning to this evening.
Present din sa event ang Sparkle stars na sina Sangre Dea Angel Guardian at Sangre Adamos Kelvin Miranda. Dumating din ang PBB Celebrity Collab Edition Kapuso Housemates.